guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another cooking vlog, so keep on watching and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, guys. All right, so I'm gonna wash the fish, this fish, so it's sliced up, and I'm gonna wash it and brown it and then brown through it, so it's brown through fish. Okay guys, so yeah, so I'm gonna wash it with some vinegar. So I'm gonna mix the seasoning. So this is the seasoning that I'll be using, guys. The Maggi all-purpose, some black pepper, Maggi season for fish, and of course Easy Spice fish seasoning. I like using this on the fish. So yes guys, I'm just gonna mix them together and season the fish. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put some all-purpose. Tomatoes and scallion. So I'm just washing them and then I'm gonna cut them out. Alright guys, and I'm gonna put onion in there as well and hot pepper. So guys, keep on watching. Okay guys, so the seasoning is ready for the fish. Scallion, onion, sweet peppers and tomato, and I'll be putting pepper in there as well. So that's ready, and the fish is already seasoned. So yes guys, so I'm just gonna get the food ready and then I'll heat the pan and fry the fish and then I'll cook it down. So keep on watching guys. Sweet potato guys, and then I'm gonna do these bananas. So we'll be having sweet potato, bananas and dumplings. All right, So guys, I'm about to make the dumplings. Need the flour. So it will be cornmeal dumplings. Flour with cornmeal. Yes. Alright guys, keep on watching. Okay guys, so the oil is hot for the fish. So all I'm doing is frying the garlic and the pepper in the oil. And then I'm gonna add the fish. Okay guys, so the seasoning is in the same frying pan that I browned the fish in. So I'm going to let it saute a little bit. Yeah, carrots, sweet peppers, onions. So now that the seasoning is sauteing, that's what it's looking like. Looking all lovely. I'm just going to add some fish sauce, some ketchup, and some browning to this. Just for a little color. And then I'm gonna add the fish. A little water to it. Alright. I'm just gonna add some water. Let it cook. Alright guys, so the fish is almost ready and the food is ready. Yes guys, food is ready, so that's what it's looking like. Thanks again guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Stay safe, stay blessed, and of course stay motivated. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So stay safe guys, stay blessed, and of course stay motivated.